Hi everyone, I have 4 more updates on the Spiralizer video. Stay with me a few more minutes and you will be a Spiralizer expert. So the other day when I was doing the video, I was supposed to be driving from Las Vegas to Los Angeles. I was super late. I kept trying to do the video and I was having technical problems. I will do the whole video and the microphone had not worked, so no voice whatsoever. Then I will do the video again and the card had run out, so no video again. And you know what was happening? I was running out of veggies to run through the Spiralizer, so I could not show you the best example. At the end, I had a little carrot and I was like, okay, I hope this works. So I just want to give you a couple of updates because I have learned more after and I really want you to have all the right information, okay? So, number 1 update, it is Spiralizer. I know that you know that, but I kept saying Spiralizer and I kept saying it again, and when I watched the video later, I was like, are you kidding me? Even my daughters were, Mom, it's a Spiralizer. I'm like, I know. So anyway, now you know that I know. Number 2, this is the technical part. The veggie that you run through has to be thin. So this is as thick as should be. Like over here, probably is gonna be already a problem. We're gonna try it now and we're gonna see what happens. The instructions say that you should trim it a little to make a circle that is not bigger than the blade, okay? This might be borderline, it might work. We're going to see that right now. Okay. In that same token, another thing that I realized is that when I was pushing it myself and I was using this just to kind of like push very softly, the veggies were turning on my hand and I didn't know why. Now I know what I was supposed to do. You see the pusher, it has this lock. So I'm supposed to lock the veggie there, you see? So now the veggie is locked and it's not going in turns. It's going to do what it's supposed to do. Let's try it right now, and that will be update number 3, which is for you to see the zucchini pasta. It's amazing and you didn't get to see it in my video. You probably saw it in other videos, but I want you to see it in mine too, okay? And one second. They added one mod here, the Spiralizer, and we are just going to go for it. We're going to put this here. Remember, it's locked so it won't turn, and we're going for it. Way better. All right, let's see what we got, and that will be my update to you, my update number 3. You are so cute! Okay, you have to see this, it's crazy. So you see this zucchini? Look at this beauty. Let me grab it all together, let's see. Look at the zucchini pasta. It's amazing, right? This was just one zucchini and it gives me a whole plate of zucchini pasta. It is super filling. I was having a pasta with shrimp the other day and it was delicious. And I was as fulfilled as if my plate had been pasta. So healthy and so fancy. One more time before I hide it, you see? In 1 second. How long did it take me? Okay, fine, 3 seconds, I don't know. Great. Now that you had a better example, my next update is recipes. You are going to feel like you're in the fanciest restaurant when I start reading this list to you. Look at this. Korean spiralized cucumber salad, spiralized carrots and apple salad with feta and walnuts. I made that the other day at a party, it was amazing. Spiralized skirt steak salad, baked salmon with spiralized courgettes, yogurt with spiralized fruit, isn't that cute? Wild mushroom ragu with spiralized zucchini pasta, express pho soup with spiralized daikon, spiralized vegetable tart flambée with halloumi. Seriously, what kind of 5-star restaurant is this? Spiralized butternut squash with Italian sausage, gorgonzola and walnuts. Pear twists on chocolate custard. Trust me, I'm trying that tonight. Oh my goodness. Vegetarian spiralized Fideuá, curly fries with garlic sauce, Spanish Chinese chicken with Zoodles, beetroot pulse salad with feta and walnuts, spicy zucchini noodles, cold red curry soup, Zoodles with broccoli pesto. So what do you think? Amazing, right? Just remember, the Spiralizer will not work without the cutter. If you want to buy the Spiralizer, that's great, but you need to buy the cutter as well, or you need to have it. And definitely you need to have a Thermomix, right? In that order. First Thermomix, then cutter, then Spiralizer. Anyway, this was my update to you. Thank you so much. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you need a Thermomix in your life, you know what to do. The link is in the comments, and it gives you free shipping and my undivided attention. Thank you.